That is like a creative exploration of English alternative spelling. Why did I do that? Because I needed them to understand that when I work with children, even in grade 4 or 5, they still don't know which A to use if they are not
in spelling and writing. Yeah.
So here I just given the superpower of chance. What are the benefits of using chance in your classroom? Okay, so it mainly rhythmic helps the brain during the learning process, and then you have the non-linear form of rhythm and pattern, because it's like that in chance, or powerful brain waves, because the learning is more with the natural flow of brain waves, of the learning waves. Okay, and it's for all ages, and then it engages the right side of the brain musical intelligence,
which we all have.
Exactly. This is the English alphabetic code.
Right, but it's the same.
Chart.
It's the same as Jollyphonics.
Yes, it's the same as Jollyphonics, but this is what most maybe if you go for your studies as a linguistic or as a language teacher.
These are in the MI books that the students are learning.
I know.
Yes.
But this is where Jollyphonic, and other synthetic phonic program make it as a more friendly version. Okay, because since for that workshop I did the alternative spelling only, so this is what we have been using. Now combining both chance and alternative spelling, and this is where you just have the A, the different A for snail, rain, snake, gate, cake, tray, and then it's the repeated, and it's the same. Hooray, hooray, let's play. Hooray, hooray, let's play. The snail is in the rain. Hooray, hooray, let's play. The snake is on the gate. Hooray, hooray, let's play. The cake is on the tray. Hooray, hooray, let's play. Hooray, 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 let's play. Sounds like jazz.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm waiting for Miles Davis to come with
Exactly. So what you can do also is adding musical instrument that the kids are making by themselves, be it like a bling bling or whatever.
These are ready-made songs, or you can create them?
It's your own rhythm, it's your own pattern. So you don't need any. This is mine.
Okay,
it could change. Now it can change rhythm. Hooray, hooray, let's play. The snail is in the rain.
That's actually 2 then, it's not 4.
Hooray, hooray, let's play. The snake is on the gate. Can you see? You change the rhythm, you change the pattern according to your children and according to you as a teacher. Now, what you can do is, if it's with the lower grade, you work with them. You create your own pattern. But with the elder children, for instance, 10, 11, they can create their own. You give your own example and they have to create their own
rhythm. As in write it or create their rhythm to the words you give them?
Both. Okay, so this is only an example. So now for the
because there's also the spelling of yay. I'm just going to ask, you could have made it yay, yay, yay.
Yes, it's
yay, yay, yay.
Yes, as soon as it goes with the sound A. The sound is A. A like for in snail, A like for in day, A like in snake.
So I'm just thinking of one. Yay, yay, let's make. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Let's make some food to cake.
Yes, whatever.
Let's make some food like cake. Yay, yay, let's make.
Yes, you
let's
can
make
change.
Some food.
This is only an example. Now you can change everything. This is my example. Now you can create something completely different. And
but you should give them the words.
It would help. For the lower primary, you can give them.
Yeah,
for the upper primary, I think you can let them find. Or you can do a mix. You can do like the pre-activity, a treasure hunt. You put all words together, and then they have to sort out A. Oh, this A go there. Okay, now let's go and create our chant. Let's see. It's like it can be like a 1 hour, 2 hour activity.
And you don't need to explain this 4, 6, 8, and all these counting, or it's important. Like hooray, hooray, let's play. It's 2, 2, 2, right? It's 2,
yes.
2, 2. Everything. The snail is in the rain.
Now you can change your rhythm. Okay, there's loads of information about jazz chant. It's
Yeah.
Caroline Graham.
God.
So you can go for it. And now I did that. So for the conference, they had to create their own chants and find their own rhythm. And this is one of the video I posted. And with the E sound, they had the E sound. So it was their show time. And then the other thing I did also is how can we enhance and extend the learning of the chants and also the alternative spelling. So it would be like maybe it's playing a role play, doing a role play, poster, painting, creating a class poster, doing puppets. So they came up with all those ideas at the conference.
Would it be with the sound, or how would it combine? I just want to understand.
So for instance, in my case, it would be the snail is in the rain, so I will create or
Make visuals.
drawing visuals.
Ah, okay, visuals to support what you're talking about. I
Exactly.
understand.
Or it could be an after activity from the snail is in the rain. Let's create a story about the snail is in the rain. Not necessarily using the different sounds, but okay, let's extending it. When we say extending, is using what we learn and put it also somewhere else and using it again
in a new way. That's creativity.
in
Use the same sound in a new way. That's creativity. Yeah.
That's creativity in the classroom, and that's why I put like bringing more creativity into the classroom. Let's do a painting. Let's do the snail in the rain.
Painting.
Exactly.
Paint.
So you can connect paintbrush, painting.
Snake. Make.
Exactly. So it's just being able. They can do a class poster with a small one. You can do a big. Or they can go in nature. Let's go and find. Oh, if it's not the rain, why is there no snail today? Oh, because it's not raining. There's no rain. And then what you can do is like one opportunity, maybe with the smaller one in pre-primary or primary, when it's raining. Oh, let's go and find snail in the rain. Bring it back.
Right, it's an activity. Where is this? The rain. Where is the snail? Where is the? Oh, the snail is here. So you could even give them the language that you want them to work with.
Exactly. It's targeted language without them knowing, but creatively using it. Creating, using paper plates. Let's do snail in the rain. Let's create a class or a wall display